What is up, District 28 Toastmasters? Paul Artale here, and I am honored to be your keynote speaker at the June 15th TLI Toastmasters Leadership Institute in Dearborn. I'm going to tell you a really quick moment about myself, and then I'm going to talk to you about the programs I'm going to offer for you at the TLI, as well as a special offer afterwards. I am a motivational and keynote speaker based out of Swartz Creek, Michigan, originally from Canada, and my motivational talks largely center around my life in college football. I was born with some physical challenges that you can see here. Look at that. Look at that. And even despite that, and actually because of it, I was able to play college football and eventually coach college football. So if you come to the TLI, what you're going to see is a shortened version of my keynote called Hit Hard, the must-have mindset you need to overcome challenges in your life. And once we're done that, please come to my breakout session where I'm going to talk about how to avoid burnout, how to keep your sanity and still be a leader. Because as someone who's been an officer in groups like Toastmasters and national associations, I know that you got to get things done, you got to lead others and motivate them, inspire them, but you also got to keep your marbles, right? You also got to keep the family happy, keep yourself happy, find that life balance. So it's a good mixture of work-life balance and organizational development you're going to get in that session. And then at the end of the day, I want you to stay after lunch for my special session called Unleash Your Message. It is how to tell stories that inspire and inform your audience. It is a 90-minute workshop. You will get a chance to work a story in the workshop. And here's the special offer I have for you. It's an interactive workshop. I need your input to make it work and to make it personal and customizable to you. So what you're going to see with this video is a link. It is a link to a form. It is going to ask you what is the question or problem you have as it relates to storytelling. And I will incorporate those answers into my presentation on the 15th. And as a thank you for giving me your input, I am going to give you a free gift. You're going to get 7 different storytelling articles I have written for different groups over the years, as well as 35 ways to open your speeches, 35 great opening lines. You're going to get those just for giving me a question you have about storytelling or presenting a challenge about storytelling. So I'm excited. June 15th, please register. I can't wait to see you there. I am actually here at the amphitheater in the park at Swartz Creek. You can see one of my favorite places to practice my stories is in nature with nobody around, but a heck of a stage around me. And so I hope to see you on the 15th. I will check you later, D28.